Redeemer and friend. Who'd have thought that a lamb could rescue the souls of men? Oh, you rescue the souls of men. Counselor, Comforter, Keeper, Spirit we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts have hopelessly lost our way. Oh, when we've hopelessly lost our way. Always hunger for. Our hearts always hunger for. You are the one that we praise. You are the one we adore. You give the healing and the grace. Hearts always hunger for. Oh, hearts always hunger for. Almighty, infinite Father, faithfully loving your own. Oh, we're falling before your throne. You praise. You are the one we adore. You give the healing and grace. Hearts always for. Our hearts always hunger for. You are the one that we praise. You are the one we adore. You give the healing and grace. Hearts always hunger for. Our hearts always hunger for.